Hi everyone! So the first thing I'm going to do is just pull back my hair so that it's not in my face. Then I'm taking my Neutrogena Hydro Boost sunscreen and just rubbing this all over my face. Next I'm taking one pump of my Kat Von D Lock It In foundation in medium 62 warm and applying this all over my face with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. Next I'm taking my Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel in 02 Brownie Brows from Essence and just combing this through my brows to lightly fill them in. For my eyes, I'm taking the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in black along with the eye-opening mascara from Bobbi Brown. To conceal my under eyes, forehead, nose, and chin, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Sand. For blush, I'm taking the Beautifully Bare Cheeky Glow from e.l.f. in Soft Rose and applying this to my cheeks and nose. For my lips, I'm taking the Sun Bum Lip Balm in Coconut and the e.l.f. lipstick in Blushing Brown. This is the final look, so thank you for watching and lots of love. Bye!